Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm very happy to have you here, and thank you to all of my returning viewers. This engine air filter is very simple to replace. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. We're going to undo the boot, some clips, and one hose in the back. And it's pretty straightforward after that. Just remove the air filter box, replace the air filter, and install the new one. You're going to place the filter back inside. And when it comes to installing the air box, you only need to pay attention to two anchors right here at the back, and you're going to match those anchors up to the back of the air filter box. Start with inserting the top of the intake box to the inlet tube, and then work your way with everything else. You're going to put in the two clips on the sides, one on the front, one on the back, put in that boot, tighten it up, and install this hose back onto the airbox. So if you found value from this video, subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos that provide step-by-step instructions and share tips and tricks along the way. Share a video with someone who you think can benefit from my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.